Yeah. Good. Now coming to straight to the interview.
Okay.
Welcome, Mridula.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Mridula, did you watch the way questions are being asked in Kerala now? On 25th, the interview started. The way questions are being asked in Kerala. Are you aware of that?
Yes, I have seen some of the questions.
Achha.
It was a normal question.
Normal only. Can you please tell me, why are you coming to banking after science and after chemistry? You are a chemistry graduate, no?
No, sir, I'm a physics
Oh,
postgraduate.
physics. Very same thing they have asked. Why banking after science and why after physics?
Okay.
No, in fact,
So,
you can take this question this way. Why banking after science and why did you choose physics? That is also a way you can interpret this question. Please tell me.
yes, sir. So, there are various reasons for me to come to this banking sector. And before applying for this job, I have gone through the job descriptions and all, and I have seen that the qualities which the banks are searching for is there within me. My exposure as a postgraduate in physics has helped me to do any kind of work within the time period with accuracy. So, while working in bank, I can use these qualities and can do the work with more accurately. And the next thing is I have very good interpersonal relationships, and I can manage even stress, and so I have very good communication skill too. I can use all these things when I work as a probationary officer in a bank better than any other job. So that is the reason why I came to the banking sector, sir. Thank you, sir.
Good. That's correct. Nice answering. Yeah. I don't know why they asked this question. Your interview is going to be in Ernakulam or in which place?
My interview is in Kozhikode, sir.
Kozhikode. So,
Kozhikode.
how far is Kozhikode from your village? Hello.
Yes, it takes around 4 hours traveling. I don't know the correct kilometers and all.
It must be for they have asked this such type of questions. Google.com, Kozhikode or Calicut. Okay, Kozhikode 2. What is the name of your village?
Kannur.
Kozhikode to Kannur. How many hours Kannur to Kozhikode? You told correctly. Distance between Kannur and Kozhikode is given as 90 kilometers only. Time taken, how many hours? How many hours did you say?
So from my hometown to reach Kannur town, it takes 1.5 hours.
Oh, Baba. Then what is your hometown?
My hometown name is Iriti.
So you should always say Iriti to, what is that place? Kozhikode, Calicut. And it takes that many hours. So Kozhikode to Kannur is 90 kilometers. Then it takes 1.5 hours for you to reach that Kannur. That means it must be another 80 kilometers, let us say roughly 170, correct?
Okay, sir.
Iriti, na? IRUTTI.
IRITTY.
Oh, sorry, correct. IRITTY, correct. IRITTY. Given as 3 hours, 113 or 115 kilometers only. Doesn't matter. They will ask you, how did you come from your home place? What is the answer you will give?
So By bus.
Acha. You came by transport bus or which bus? I mean,
I usually
state in Kerala, you have private transport as well as state transport, or only one type of transport?
I usually travel in KSRTC.
Very good.
Kerala state.
Acha. What was the fare they collected from you? You don't know. You please remember that. Okay.
Yes, sir. It will be around 20 rupees.
Acha. Just they will ask such questions. They do ask.
Okay.
What will you do if you get a job related to science and also banking? Which one will you prefer? And why?
So,
Both are same salary, both have got same future, and both are in a place of your choice. Understand?
Yes, sir. Till now, I didn't clear any other exams. I cleared this federal bank exam, and right now in my mind, my only aim is to get this federal bank job, and I like this job very much. And I'm not thinking anything else other than this federal bank job.
The answer is okay, but it is not complete because you should have told me I will prefer banking only. First statement is that, sir, I will prefer banking only. Thereafter, you tell whatever you told now. I have never tried so far, like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the job role of this junior management officer?
Yes, sir. As a junior management officer in a bank, I have to first receive the customer with a smile. Then I shall talk them about the different banking services, and I will make them open a bank account in my bank. Then I shall have to solve the grievances of the customers, if any. Then cash management, supervising the clerical staffs, uh, to do the management of the day-to-day operations of the banks, like issuance of credit card, debit card, passbook issuance. Then the marketing of different bank products such as bank assurance, insurance products. Yeah, these are the main works. Thank you, sir.
What is bank assurance?
Bank assurance means the insurance companies products, different insurance products are sell through the banks. Banks are making
sold through banks.
Yes, sir.
Or okay, good. So why banks are doing all this selling insurance policy and all? What is the advantage for banks?
They are getting commission charges from this mutual funds and bank assurance and all. So they are making profits from them.
Good, very good, very nice. Now, what do you know about our Federal Bank? Briefly, please tell me briefly.
So Federal Bank is one of the top leading and most admired scheduled private sector banks. It was headquartered at Aluva in Kochi. It was founded in the year 1931 at Nedumburam by the great K.P. Hormy sir with the name Travancore Federal Bank Limited. Its tagline is "Your perfect banking partner." Now it has 1 crore 27 lakh customers, and its current business is around 3 lakh 35,000 crore. Its MD and CEO is Sri Shyam Srinivasan sir. Recently, Sri MVS Murthy sir was appointed as a Chief Marketing Officer of Federal Bank. Recently, Federal Bank has declared its quarterly result. So in that result, it is we can see that it is performing very well. So that's all about Federal Bank, sir.
Or you can tell some more points. Bank has earned a profit of 601 crore year-on-year basis compared to last year quarter performance. It is 64% higher. Its total deposit was this much, total advances was this much, something like that. You can add this also. Okay.
Okay.
Good, very good. Please tell us briefly about your family and why this job is important for you.
So, in my family, my father is a tailor and my mother is a homemaker. I'm the eldest daughter. I have one younger daughter. She has completed her
I have,
degree and
I
she is
have,
also preparing for the bank.
I have one younger sister, daughter name.
Okay, sir. I have one younger sister.
Younger sister. Tell me, because out of fear, when you fear, it comes out like this. Doesn't matter. You have one younger sister. What is she doing?
She has completed her graduation mathematics and she is also preparing for the bank exams right now.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
And, since I am from a
Now
military,
tell us
family,
why this job is important for you.
that's what I'm telling. Since I am from an ordinary family where my father is the only earning member, so I decided to financially assist my family by getting a decent job in a bank. And also, I as a girl, a elder girl, I'm responsible for that. And more than that, I want to be financially independent. That is the reason.
Good. Very good. What is NPA in banking?
So NPA stands for non-performing asset. It is when a customer doesn't pay the principal or the interest of the loan amount for 90 days and more, then that loan is categorized as non-performing asset.
Good.
And
No,
if
no, it is okay. But then instead of telling customer, you say borrower.
yes, a borrower.
When a borrower. That's right. What is SLR?
SLR is a statutory liquidity ratio. It is the liquid asset which bank has to maintain in the form of gold, government securities, etc.
Or cash also. Cash also.
Oh.
How much? What is the present limit?
Present, it is 18%. 18%.
Yeah. What is meant by CRR? In what form is it to be maintained?
So CRR is the cash reserve ratio. Every bank has to maintain certain amount of money with the Reserve Bank of India. This is cash reserve ratio, and currently CRR is 4.5%.
Instead, you can, instead of telling certain percentage, you can as well say banks have to maintain 4.5% of their net demand and time liabilities as balance in their current account with Reserve Bank of India.
Okay, sir.
Can you try this? What is CRR?
CRR, so from the total deposits which banks receives, the bank has to maintain 4.5% of cash as reserves with the Reserve Bank of India. This is used for the RBI it is mandatory for all the scheduled and commercial banks in order to control the money supply in the market for controlled inflation.
Good. What is the interest rate that Reserve Bank will pay on balance in CRR account? No interest. For the money available in CRR balance current account, they will not pay any interest, just as banks are not paying any interest in current account. Understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now come to the products of this question, also very favorite question. What are the products of our federal? First, tell me deposit products.
So mainly the deposit products of Federal Bank is categorized as savings bank account, savings bank account. Then that itself is CASA. no, savings bank account, current bank account, that is CASA. Then we have foreign deposit accounts is there, salary account is there.
Mm.
Yeah.
You should mention about fixed deposit. Then you should
Yes,
also
sir.
you should also mention about recurring
deposits.
deposits. Very good, excellent. We will discuss this today in banking class. Yeah, we will take it up for discussion. Next question for you. What is your biggest strength?
So my biggest strength is my discipline.
Mm.
Since I'm a person who do mindful meditation daily and read books, I'm able to maintain my calm mind even at the stressful situations. So that I consider as my biggest strength. And the next thing is my communication skills also.
Good. Last question for you.
And then,
Who is the railway minister?
so our railway ministry is Mr. Ashni Vaishnav.
Very good. Who is the finance minister?
So our finance ministry is Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman.
Good. Who is the governor of Kerala?
So Mr. Arif Muhammad Khan is the governor of Kerala.
Good. Describe yourself by one word. Excuse me. Describe yourself in one word. What happened? Are you able to hear?
Indomitable.
Indomitable.
Yes, sir, I'm telling.
What is it?
Yes.
The voice was
Not
dead.
able to defeat.
Voice
No
was,
one can defeat.
Acha, indomitable.
Domitable.
Acha, acha. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Thank you so much. Best wishes. Your interview is on which day? 28.
28. Yes, sir.
Acha. Please attend that with confidence. You can do well and
Yes.
revise the current things that is coming in newspaper from today, at least, or last 2 days. Be thorough about, say, Draupadi Murmu's election and all. I am not repeating it again and again. That's why I'm not asking. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Best wishes. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Tanya, I will close this video and start again. You can come again. Tanya.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.